Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer automation workflows from Make to Zapier, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer automation workflows from Make to Zapier, begin by identifying the workflows you wish to migrate. Document the triggers and actions for each workflow in Make. Make a list of the apps involved in each workflow. Next, log into your Zapier account. Click on the Make a Zap button to start creating a new workflow in Zapier. Select the trigger app that corresponds with the first app on your list from Make. Choose the appropriate trigger event for this app. Set up the trigger by connecting your app account and customizing the trigger settings. Test the trigger to ensure it retrieves the correct data. Now, move to the action step. Select the first action app from your list. Choose the action event that matches the functionality of your Make workflow. Connect your app account to Zapier. Customize the action by mapping the data from your trigger to the action fields. Test the action to confirm it works as expected. If your workflow has multiple actions, repeat the action steps for each subsequent app. Once all actions are added, review your Zap to ensure everything is correctly set up. Rename your Zap to reflect the original Make workflow for easy reference. Turn on your Zap to activate your new automation. Finally, monitor your Zap to ensure it operates smoothly and troubleshoot any issues if they arise. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.